The birds of paradise are a group of birds that are found in the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia, mainly in the jungles of Indonesia, Papua New Guinea and parts of eastern Australia. Birds of paradise are best known for the beautiful array of feathers which are existent on the male, which the male bird uses to attract the attention of the surrounding female. As with many species of bird, the female birds of paradise are dull-looking in comparison to their male counterparts and are generally smaller and have light brown feathers, and have a similar appearance to the nightingale. There are around 50 different birds of paradise species that range in size from 15 centimeters to over a meter in height. Many of the birds of paradise species are extremely rare and are only found in particular habitats and in certain places. The birds of paradise were unknown to the Western world until 1996, when David Attenborough stunned the world with his footage of the incredible birds whilst on a trip to Papua New Guinea.